everyone, welcome to a new video for Ella. In today's video, let's see how can we export detailed payslips. So for that, let's navigate to the payroll module and let's go to the payslips. So over here, we'll be able to view the payslips for different employees that has been generated. So we can view the name of the employee, start date, end date, batch, gross pay, deductions, net pays, and status of the payslips. So let's see how can we export the detailed payslip. So for that, let's click on actions, and in the actions we have the payslip report. So let's go to payslip report, and from here we'll be able to export the detailed payslips. So under the payslips, we can select the employee, or if you are trying to export the detailed payslips for a specific employee, we can set the employee name over here, or we will be able to set a start date and end date so that the detailed payslips will be generated in that time range. And we have the status over here, the batch, and we also have some advanced options with which we'll be able to export the detailed payslip. So we can set the start date from start date till end date from end date till gross pay less than or equal, gross pay greater or equal, etc. So we have different advanced options also. So I'm not giving it any right now, but I'm just downloading the report. So when we click on that, the detailed payslips will be exported and we'll be able to find the sheet over here. So we have the employee name, the batch, the start date, end date, basic pay, gross pay, net pay status. So all these things will be we'll be able to view in detail. So that is the employee details, under which we have the basic pay, gross pay, net pay status and all separately. And then we have the allowances. That is, we can view the travel allowance, house rent allowance, other allowance, total allowance, and then we have the ESI. So all these can be viewed with the detailed payslip export. So for each employee, we'll be able to view the payslip details in very detailed way. So let's go back. So before that, we'll be able to view the total for each columns. Like we have the total for the gross pay for all the employees. So we'll be able to view the total for the gross pay, net pay, travel allowance, house rent allowance and all in this detailed payslip view. So now let's go back. And next, under the actions, we have one more export. That is, if we want to export the pay slips with basic details, we'll be able to do that from here. So we'll be able to select the Excel columns that we wish to see in the sheet that we are exporting. So we can just check the details that we want. So that columns will be added in the sheet. And if you want it for any particular employee, we can set give the employee over here, or we can set the start date or end date, the status, batch and all. So let's simply click on export and let's go to the sheet. So this is the sheet that has been exported, and we can see that the details has been provided in this sheet for different employees that we have exported. So like this, we'll be able to export the sheet. So this is how we can export the detailed payslips in Horilla. Hope it is clear, and thank you for watching.